here I'm in second gear, giving it some gas, and it kind of putters. There's a click in the steering wheel. Not quite for sure what that is. Probably rack and pinion or a bearing or something need replaced. But here's a little gas. Right about 3.5, it picks back up again. A little bit of cutout in second gear there, but right at about 3 it picks up. Then after 4 it'll go back down again. Right after 3 it runs pretty smooth actually. No bumps or hiccups or anything like that. The shocks and suspension feel pretty good. You can see the hula girl's only dancing at a minimal pace at 35 miles an hour. But right now it's riding smooth in third gear at 2.5. But if you give it a little bit of gas, you can tell it cuts out a little bit. Turn right here, Dustin. All right, here's a little bit higher pace. Here's the cutout. Now it's back in normal. But here we're going at 4 grand. I mean, it's driving right now, and you can't really feel the miss. Go up into 5th, and I can cruise, but when I gas it, it's a little bit of a miss, but it'll still keep going down the road pretty smooth. That's the